Anyway, my views are getting lower and lower. I don't know why. I'm probably a shadow ban from the crypto experience. It is what it is. I'm doing my best, or maybe not. I'm not doing my best. I have to do better. Anyway, this is a Pixel Pro. We're going to find out is it going to be better than anything else in the market. Well, you can see it's not new. Those seals were cut. Someone put a plastic on those seals. It is what it is. Let's unbox it. Bam. Bam. Yeah. Ooh. Wow. Gold. I like gold. Well, it is cold. Ooh, and very slippery. Wow, I need to buy a case for it. This is so slippery. Damn, it is slippery like hell. What else do we have? All right. Cable, USB Type-C to USB Type-A dongle, and what is that? What is that? A book, which no one will read. It would be nice if they put a charger there, not a freaking book. Why do I need a book? For the smartphone. Anyway. Oh, shiny. Alrighty then. What do we have? Volume buttons at the very bottom, because usually at the smartphones the volume button is higher than the power button. That is a cool idea. Power button. Okay, is this is a SIM card tray? Nope. No. I don't know what is that. Let me know in the comment below. What is that? Why do we have it cut out like that? It's crazy. Microphone, antennas, SIM card tray, speaker, USB Type-C, and another. Maybe it's a speaker. Nah. I think the speaker is in here. A light and free. Okay, 4 cameras or 3. Probably 3 cameras. With a huge telephoto experience. All right. I like the color. I like the gold experience. Anyway, let's power on. Bam. Like you can see, the fingerprint sensor working rather nicely. Okay, I customized a little bit on this a wallpaper, and I put some more apps, my apps. Rather smooth, 120 Hz. I like it. If you go to settings, what are the settings? Okay, let's skip the settings. All I can say is 128 gigabyte of storage in this price range. I don't know. It's quite expensive. But it is a bit laggy. Bear in mind, this is just an unboxing experience. What does that mean, laggy? Let me show it to you. For example, if I want to edit a video, let me add some footage to it. Well, a couple of okay. Just that, just loading the footage is so slow compared to any other flagship I had on this channel in 2022. Okay, like 24. Look how slow that is. Okay, a little bit faster, but still. Okay, for some reason it's trolling me. It wasn't that fast just a couple of minutes ago. And still, you see, lagging. I still have to wait. Come on. Just load the video. Look, it is slow. I don't know what's the reason of that. Why is that slow? But it is. At least mine is quite slow. Anyway, I'm picky because I'm a heavy user, and I want to have a maximum experience. I'm searching for the ultimate smartphone. That's what it is. Okay, let's leave that for the full review, benchmarks and everything. First impression, extremely slippery. This surface is like glass, super slippery. Is this a scratch already? I don't know. It's getting warm quite quick. Not too comfortable in the hand. You have to have a case. Without the case, it's quite dangerous. I don't know what that is at the top. I still don't know. And sound-wise, I'm talking about built-in speakers. They are nowhere near Xiaomi 11 Ultra with carbon speakers. Nowhere near. It's like no. So no chance sound-wise. Other than that, the camera is quite impressive. And there you go. It is quite large and not comfortable at all, especially with this power button over there. And see, everyone has a different hands, and mine is not designed for the Pixel. Well, wait for the full review. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.